Hi, today we're going to talk about another one of our field changeable products. This is a wall pack, very common in commercial outdoor lighting as well as residential, quite honestly. It's a very effective type of lighting. Wall packs, what's great about them is when you're mounting those on the outside of a building, either along the side or the end, it casts the light out away from the building. And so versus having a 360-degree throw like on a traditional, what I call a barn light or yard light that mounts on a pole. And so this particular model we have, of course, like our other products, made to our specifications. We went a little over the top on this model, but it's very reasonably priced. It's actually priced currently on sale below what a normal 150 watt wall pack and LED would run you. So this particular model is quite robust. We have a much heavier cast aluminum base than what we had in the past, as well as on this particular product, because it's switchable, wattage switchable. Now we're just stocking the one model covering 60, 80, or 120 watts. So I'll show you how that switches within here. And at the 120 watt setting, it's actually brighter than the 150 watt models on the market that you see typically at 110 to 120 lumens a watt. This model actually approaches 140 lumens. We publish 130 just as a conservative mark. Now, this particular product as well, when you're installing, versus other brands on the market, you would notice that there would be wiring that actually is connecting between the face of the unit and the base. So it does make it a little bit more difficult when you're doing an installation. This particular model, you can take the front lens right off of it. Of course, we have a high temp seal all the way around that. It's IP65, so no problem with weather. And so you'll see that all of our dimmable driver is in the base, very solid, secure. It is a serviceable fixture, so in the future, if you was struck by lightning, you could actually change the driver. It's serviceable. LED panel mounted on a aluminum PC board for maximum heat dissipation. There's also a level right in the unit, so as you're installing it, you'll be able to level that without having to pull it out of your pocket. So you can either inlet your AC on the right, left side, bottom, and most common in the back. There is a gasket which you'll see pre-mounted on this particular sample, and so you would just simply pull out that 1/2 inch. This is the most common, obviously, is going over a round J box, and that gasket will seal that right off for you. You come in with your power, make your final connections here, line neutral and ground, and then once you've got it all powered up and installed, you can make your selections of wattage. So you'll see you have a 60 watt, 80 watt, 100 and 120 watt setting. So maybe on one end of the building it's not facing any neighbors, you want to really light it up, you've got it at the 120. Maybe on the other end of the building it's facing somebody that doesn't appreciate the brightness of your outdoor lighting and would like that toned down a bit. That allows you to switch it in the field, and that'd be according to mounting height, just how much you want, how much throw you want, how far out you want it to go. When you purchase this product, you can also purchase a photo eye, which we install these generally for you. Sometimes when we get a little bit rushed in terms of getting deliveries packaged and out, we may not have it pre-installed for you, but we'll actually pull that out. This is a flush mount model that'll allow you to convert this fixture over to a dusk to dawn application. When you're making a purchase of the photo eye, you'll see that in our lighting accessories section. And so once that is all fully installed on your surface, that faceplate just slides right on there. You have stainless steel fittings, you tighten those down, installation's done. Appreciate it. If you have any other questions, just feel free to call us on our 800 number. We're always there for you. Take care.